Most people only know about Outlier, but there are 7 balls that are actually paying more right now. And I'm starting with the most underrated one, and I'm saving the highest paying one for the last. So right now we have our first platform right here, which is called Sigma AI. And of course, guys, this is the linguistic leader, and it is best for native speaker in Nigeria, Ghana, Bangladesh, India, and so on. So you want to scroll down to actually get access to the available jobs right there. So you want to look for careers right there. So you want to know the available jobs under Sigma.ai. And of course, guys, I'll be leaving a bonus app at the end of this video. So now if you really want to know what this bonus app is all about, stay with me right at the end of this video. I'm simply going to talk about it. All right, so you want to click on careers right there. All right, so you want to check the available jobs under Sigma.ai. As you can see right here, they have this one from Romania translator, and it is remote. They have English linguistic project and Hindi linguistic project, and so much more. So we can also click on all jobs to actually get more information on these. As you can see, they have 684 jobs right there. Of course, guys, you can filter by location. All right, you can filter by location, by your location, regardless of where you're watching this video from. So now you can simply go through everything. All right, search for the available jobs in your location. All right, so now I'll simply be talking about the next one, and the next on our list is Mindrift AI, and they have IP and IRA in the 50 plus countries. Of course, guys, let's quickly check out the available jobs right there on the Mindrift AI. So they have active project and explore opportunities that match your expertise to get started. So they have senior software engineer in test, automotive engineer, and they have data science and electrical engineer, and so on. So guys, they are freelance legal consultant, and so much more. So if you want more, you can simply click on view all projects. All right, so if you want more information on this, you can simply go through the website. All right, so you need a CV to get started. Of course, guys, if you need a CV, I believe in a template in the Telegram community, so you can click on the link in the description to actually join our Telegram community to actually get access to this CV. And of course, the third one is simply called Data Force. If you want jobs, you can simply come here and find project. As you can see, you can find a project. There are loads of projects on the Data Force. So you can simply come to this website. I will leave in the link in the description of this video. All right, so you can actually get access to project or opportunities right here on this platform. So you guys, you can simply go through it. I will leave in the link in the description of this video. Because the next one on our list is simply called One Former, and it has over 20,000 plus global projects available at any time. So guys, this is one format, and you can simply go through it to get more information on this. And of course, you can view open opportunities right there. They have a range of flexible opportunities in AI, from simpler tasks to more comprehensive work streams. So you'll be an expert contributor. You support check this right there. They have loads of them right there. And of course, if you want more jobs, you simply click on and discover. Right, so this is the fourth website on our list. And if you are looking for long-term project, this one is for you. Digital.com. So now you can simply train AI also with this. And so if you are looking for long-term projects, of course, guys, this one is for you. Telos Digital. All right, so you want to scroll down to actually get access to their available project. All right, so you can also search for roles right there. You can search for roles. These available positions in customer service representative, technical support specialists, customer success managers, contact center supervisors, digital engagement coordinators, CS program managers, business process improvement specialists, and so on. So guys, you can simply search for roles. All right, so this is how you can actually get access to their jobs. So you want to come to careers. All right, so take note of that. And please, if you are getting value from this video, please make sure you like this video and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and of course share it with a friend out there. And remember, I'll be sharing with you a bonus app at the end of this video. The next one is Invisible Technologies, invisibletech.ai. I will also be leaving the link in the description of this video. So this is the platform right here. Now they simply hire experts to train AI for OpenAI and AWS. So you want to go to invisibletech.ai. Remember, I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. So to actually get access to their jobs, you want to go to what you see right here, open roles at Invisible AI, and you can also search for jobs right here. By clicking on search roles right here, you'll be able to actually get access to their jobs. So you can also filter by location right here and get access to their jobs. All right, so now this one is Invisible Tech AI. The last one is simply called LST AI, and this one has very low competition. These are the available jobs right there. As you can see, they have jobs right there: senior backend engineer, SEO specialist, and of course they have loads of them, and some right there are remote. And the truth about this website, you have to be consistent, so you have to keep coming here to actually search for jobs. All right, so you have to be consistent about it, and of course you can simply become an annotator and also a transcriptionist using this website. So please, I want you to be consistent on this secret bonus. I promise, if you have a TikTok YouTube account with even a few followers, you need to download sound.me. All right, I'll also be leaving the link in the description. And here is the logic: you don't need to be a big influencer, because this app pays you to use specific sound in your TikTok or YouTube short videos, and you just need to sign up, link your account, and pick a campaign. So you simply record a simple video using their music and simply post it. You get paid based on your views, and you can simply find it on the Google Play or Apple App Store. So just search for sound.me, and it is one of the easiest ways to monetize your daily TikTok activity while you wait for your big AI project to start.